Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Tether from Coinbase to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know Tether is a stablecoin that's great for quick transfers without wild price swings. Whether you're moving funds for trading or just diversifying your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Robinhood. Double-check that your accounts are verified and that you have some Tether in your Coinbase wallet. This is crucial because unverified accounts can lead to delays or restrictions. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account and navigate to your Tether holdings. You'll find this in the Assets section. Once you're there, select the Send or Withdraw option. Before you proceed, note that Tether, USDT, usually runs on the Ethereum network, so ensure you're using the correct blockchain to avoid any transaction failures. Step 2. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Head over to your Robinhood app or website, go to your crypto wallet, and copy the Tether deposit address. Paste this carefully into the Coinbase send form. Triple check for accuracy because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Step 3. Enter the amount of Tether you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the network fees. They can vary, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Review the details, hit confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once the transfer is complete, hop back to Robinhood and refresh your wallet. You should see your Tether balance update. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets secure, and monitor your transactions using blockchain explorers like Etherscan. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer Tether from Coinbase to Robinhood in 2025. This process is designed to be user-friendly, but if you run into any issues, reach out to customer support or check the platform's help sections. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.